i35equipment.com. This is the Sany SY135C hydraulic track excavator. This machine is a legal load. It does have a hydraulic blade on the front, as well as a JRB hydraulic quick attach system, factory hydraulic pin-on heavy-duty thumb. It is utilizing the Isuzu diesel motor, Kawasaki pump, has switchable control patterns, cold working air conditioning, radio, LED front work lights, good mirrors, and safety rails. Lots of features. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to company if you like. We are open by appointment only. Just give us a call and get on the calendar. Happy to have you out. Come look it over. Number here is 405-833-6437. If you like our hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you should not be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with the best rate that comes back to us. We welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. And our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out that form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. Get it parked, and then we'll take a look around at it. All the access panels, the motor, undercarriage, and everything. We'll end up at the operator station. This JRB Paladin bucket does have 5 teeth on it with cutting wings. This is the heavy-duty Sany hydraulic pin-on thumb. Solid core. We do have other buckets available, so if you have an application that requires bigger, smaller buckets, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory of new and used buckets online. Really nice machine for having to move job site to job site, or put out on the ranch and pulling some trees. rains last night. It's got a little water dripping. It is simply water, not oil mix or anything. Alright, let's go ahead and hop up in the operator station and take a look around. Still have some of the plastic wrap on the seat. Working radio. We're going to turn that off. Cold working AC. Fire extinguisher back there. Also has a bag with a variety of parts manuals and owner operation manuals. Currently sitting at 760 hours. To operate your 2-speed operation, it's just going to be this button right here, which changes it from rabbit to turtle. Auto RPM down. You can turn that off by clicking that button. It does have several power modes: heavy, low. I actually don't know what these stand for. And then this is if you were having it worked on by a mechanic. Sany could get into there and work. This one changes what you're working with: bucket, breaker, scissors, or quick coupler. If you're going to be utilizing the hydraulic quick attach, you just go down to quick coupler, hit enter, and then go through the buttons here to lock and unlock the unit. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. And before I forget, over here is your LED work lights, windshield wiper fluid. This is for your blade control, throttle, ignition. We already talked about earlier about radio and HVAC on this side. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Happy to visit with you and answer any questions you may have. You can always see all the specs, all the photos, and the full update inventory online. i35equipment.com. Have a great day.